Hello, my name is Aidan Dennehy, student number R00145278. Welcome to my advanced web publishing project to display some DIY projects. In this project, this website had 6 different pages. This is home, containing a welcome photo, a message, and my student name and number. The activities page displays the DIY content types. There's electronics, gardening, kids, and kitchen. In here we display each one of the different articles associated with each. If I was to click on one, I can see that it starts with a photo, and we have the assembly instructions and the taxonomy items associated with making this product. Going back to the activities page, again we can see all of these items listed. The About Us page is just a little information about us, giving us the address, telephone number, and email address. The Contact Us page also provides our full details, full address, email addresses, and facility to be able to contact us online if you want to. So I'll type in here message, and this is another message, and you can save this and it will appear here then as another message. The staff page, staff is another content type, and we have 4 staff members here, each one of them with their email, staff image, their telephone number. This is the WikiHow RSS feed. This links into WikiHow and updates periodically. These are all of the messages here, are all of the different RSS articles. I set these up in aggregator. I can see WikiHow here. We were also asked to provide an RSS in feed for kitchen DIY. This is this here. So going back to the site, for the site as well, we were also asked to use a downloaded theme. For this I used Showcase Lite. So if I set this as default and go back to the site, here going into the Showcase theme, I was asked to make a couple of different changes. If I go to home here, one of the changes I made here was changing these A tags to red. I don't really like that, so I'm going to change that back here. If I change that, I can see, I'll just refresh the cache, and once I do that, I can go back to the site and refresh it, and these will go back to grey, as you can see here. Also as well here, I changed the breadcrumbs background color to yellow. I'll show you here. If I go into breadcrumbs, I changed this color here from transparent to yellow, and as well as that, I also changed an icon from 24 pixels to 74 pixels. This was the 2-top icon. You can see this down here. I changed this just to increase the size of it. For this project, we were also asked to develop our own custom theme. So here I have my custom theme here. I provided an icon for it, and when I set this as default and go back to the site, there were 7 different regions that we were asked to develop for this site. Header first, and this is the header second. On header second, we were asked to provide a background image. I did this in CSS. Each one of the different regions has their own individual color just to identify them. The other ones are main menu, search form, breadcrumbs. This is the content area and the footer. As I say here, clicking on each one of these will bring us into the different pages again. For the site here, I'll just go back into my my twig file. I set the regions up in here, and I surrounded them with div, so I'd be able to identify them for the CSS. In some cases here, I put the header, for instance, encased in a row, the two together, just so that I'd be able to put them on the same line. This is my my info. These are the info. This is pointing to my my CSS. If I can, my library here for that. As I said, this is pointing to the style CSS. In style CSS, these are all of the CSS items I put in. This is where I put in the background image. Going back to the site. This is the project. I enjoyed it. Thank you very much.